Good morning, children. Let's learn how to add and subtract the two unlike fractions. So one example I have taken here. See, I have taken two fractions. Which kind of fractions these are? These are mixed fractions. So how to add this mixed fraction? Before adding the mixed fraction, we have to convert them into improper fractions. So 2 by 3 we have to convert into improper fraction. How to convert into improper fraction? We just have to read this denominator and multiply with this whole number. So denominator multiply with the whole number. 3 2s are 6. 6 plus 2 is 8. So how we have to add? I am writing here. See, 3 multiplied by 2 and add this numerator and divided by 3. Then same here also. 2 multiply with this 3 and add the numerator and denominator we have to write same. So here multiply 2 3s are 6. 6 plus 2 is 8. So our numerator is 8 divided by 3, same. And here also same. 2 3s are 6. 6 plus 1 is 7. 7 by 2. Now these two fractions you have to add. Now to add these two fractions, first we have to see whether they are like fractions or unlike fractions. So you can see here, this is denominator is 3 and the denominator is 2. So these two are unlike fractions. We cannot add them directly. We have to find the common denominator for both the fractions. So common denominator how to find? We have to find the LCM of these two numbers. LCM of these two numbers 3 as well as 2. 3 and 2 it will not go in any table. There is no common factor for 3 and 2. So we have to multiply and find the LCM. So 2 3s are 6. So LCM of these two numbers is 6. Now common denominator for both the fractions is 6. The same process we have to follow what we have learned in the last class. So now here it is 3. First denominator you have to select. Read the 3's table. 3 how much are 6? 3 how much are 6? 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, 2s are. So that 2s are we have to multiply with this numerator. And same way, 2 how much are 6? 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6. That 3s are we have to multiply with this numerator. Now this step is over. The next step what we have to do? These two numerators we have to multiply. 8 2s are 16. We have to write in the numerator place. Same way, 7 3s are 21. So 21 we have to write here. Okay. The next step is 6 is a common denominator for both. Now we are adding the numerator. 16 plus 21. 16 plus 21 is 37. 37 by 6. Now 37 by 6 it is a improper fraction. So our answer is 37 by 6. We got 37 by 6. Now we can't write 37 by 6. What we have to do here? We have to convert into improper fraction. How to convert into improper fraction? This is use your rough column to do all divisions and all. So 37 I am taken here and divide by 6. So in the 6 table how we can divide? How many times we can subtract the 6? 6 we can subtract by 6 times. So 6 6 are 36. I will minus 1 is remainder. So what is your quotient? Quotient is your whole number and the remaining is your numerator. By what number you have divided? 6. So 6 is your denominator. So this is our answer. 6 1 by 6 is your answer. If the improper fractions are given, if mixed fractions are given, you have to convert them into first improper fraction. Then next same process you have to follow. And the subtraction, if you are subtracting two fractions, how to subtract? So subtraction of fraction is also same as addition of fraction, the process. So one example I am taking 8 1 by 2 minus 3 5 by 8. So here there are two mixed fractions. So same way we have to convert. Now I am converting here directly. 2 8s are 16. 16 plus 1 17. So our fraction is 17 by 2. Then subtract 8 3s are 24. 24 plus 5 is 29 by 8. So what is the common denominator? Now there is two different denominators are here. 2 and here it is 8. So what we have to find? We have to find the common denominator, LCM for this 2 and 8. So 2 and 8 have common factor. So I will first find the common factor. So what is the common factor of 2 and 8? It is 2. 2 table 2 also we can take 2 and as well as 8 too. So 2 how much are 2? 2 1s are 2. 1 I will write here. And 2 how much are 8? 2 4s are 8. So I am taking here 4. Now 1 and 4 doesn't have any common denominator. It is only 1. So we were not taking 1 as common factor. We will multiply this number and the remaining numbers. So here 2 into 1 into 4. 2 into 1 into 4 it is 8. So our LCM is 8. LCM is 8. So 8 is the common denominator. 8. Now we have to same process we have to follow what we are done in the addition of fractions. So 2 how much are 8? 2 4s are 8. So I will multiply with this numerator into 4. Now 8 how much are 8? 8 1s are 8. So I will write here 1. Now 17 4s are. 17 4s are how much? You have, if you don't know the table, you can use your rough column and you can multiply. If you do, you have to learn the tables, or else you have to multiply in your rough column. So 4 7s are 28 and carry 2. 4 1s are 4 plus this is 68. So 68 is the numerator and 29 1s are is 29. So what is our common denominator? Is 8. Now I will write this numerator 68. Then what is the sign here? Minus sign. So I will write subtraction sign. This is 29. Now you have to minus these two numbers and write the answer. So you can use your rough column to multiply, to subtract, or so 68 minus 29. Now 8 minus 9 you can't. So you have to borrow. Hope you remember all subtraction. 18 minus 9 is 9 and 5 minus 2 is 3. So what is your number is 39 by 8. Now 39 by 8 it is improper mixed fraction. We have to convert into improper fraction. So 39 divided by 8. Now 8 how much are we can take? 8 1s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 8 3s are 24, 8 4s are 32, 8 4s are 32. So 39 minus 32 is 7. So your answer is this, your quotient, your whole number you have to write as a whole number, and the numerator is your remainder, and what is the denominator is same. So this is your answer. Addition and subtraction of fraction are same, only here it is in addition you are adding and here you are subtracting. Thank you children, hope you are understood. Practice.